All right, everyone. So today we are going to do some lighting install on this wall. We're going to show you how you can have something that's inexpensive, decorative, and energy efficient because it's going to use very, very little power. We're talking about LED lighting. So if you look here on the table, what we have here are the actual lights. We're going to show you the link where you can get them. You get a pair. There's the other one there. You get a pair of these for under $35. They're very nice, elegant, decorative, and like I said before, they only use 12 watts of power each because they run on LED. So let's go ahead and get started so you guys can see just how easy it is to install something that's going to save you money in lighting, yet it also looks very decorative and, like we mentioned, very inexpensive. So the first thing we want to do, like we always do on our installs, is make sure you shut the power and just make sure you flip the breaker. That's the right one. You want to make sure you have a tester. We'll put a link in the description below on which tester we use. It's a very simple tester and you can easily tell if you have power there or not. But make sure you turn off your breaker first. So with your breaker off, and once you put your tester on it and see that there's no power in there, it's very easy. You just have basically three wires or cables, a black, a white, and a copper one or green, which is going to be your ground. Let's show you that on the actual lighting fixture. On the lighting fixture itself, it comes with this installation bracket, and you notice there's a screw hole that align right there. And what we did is we just removed the two screws that were in there right here. One is on this side and then one is on the other side right there. And there you can see where it goes through. So this wire that you see here would be your ground, your copper one that will connect to the copper that we showed you. And then the two wires that you have here are self-explanatory because one is black and one is white. So it should be a very easy install. Again, safety first, make sure you turn off your breaker to the area you're going to be working, and then make sure you also test it. I mean, breakers are sometimes mislabeled, so you want to make sure you get that right. So the first thing that we did here, you want to do first is you want to connect your copper to your copper. Make sure you get your wire nut. If you don't have wire nuts already in place like we do, let me show you. They do include a little small bag with wire nuts and these screws. Now I'll show you what these screws are for. Once you get this already, once you put the actual ground, what you want to do is see how you're going to install your lights. Are you going to have them vertically or horizontally? And once you get that, then you have all the space here to align that hole and that hole with these screws. So I'll show you how we do it, and then I'll stop it here so I can go ahead and do the install. Once you have it installed, what you want to do is you want to run a level from here to the top here. You want to make sure that it's straight, which we already did. And then you also want to make sure that your black and white wires come in through the center. Your ground or copper one is tucked in there. You're not going to need it, but you're going to need these two to connect it. Once you do it, you want to make sure you do it with the same one on the other side. And let me give you guys a panoramic shot here so you can see that that one's already also done and that one's done, the one we just did now. So next is installing the lamp. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a sec. Okay, as you can see there, it's already connected, and you want to make sure you put the black with the black and the white with the white, and it should just stay there no problem as long as you got your wire nuts real nice and tight. Once you get that, make sure you do the one on the other side, just like we do it here. And we're doing it in tandem at the same time, so we can have both done simultaneously. So next thing is we're gonna go ahead and put them together. So we get these two screws so I can show you on camera. The two tiny screws that are going to go on the side. So these are going to go right here and then right through here. And we're going to connect the screws or install the screws like this. So one's going to go this way one's going to go on the other side. So let's go ahead and get that done and show it to you. So there we are. We have the light installed there. And take a look over here. We have this one also installed. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn them on and show you with the lights running how it looks. So there you have it, folks. You have both lights in there already installed. And take a look at that. Both are in there. They look very nice and bright. And like I said, they're LEDs. So these lights are inexpensive to buy, inexpensive to run. Very decorative, very elegant. They look very nice. So once you have them installed, like you just saw in the video, it's very simple. Anyone can do it. So we will post a link in the description so you can get them on Amazon. They are around $33. They're very inexpensive. So hopefully the video helped you and showed you how easy it can be to install these. You just gotta remember to turn off your breaker and then also test your wires to make sure they're not live. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and you can see some future videos that also show you how to save green, and LED lighting is definitely a way that you can save green. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.